In this video, we'll show how to determine total volume of an underground mine drive, drift, or tunnel. Total ore excavation volumes are important to reduce dilution and ensure mining is progressing according to plan. The first step in the process is to extract as-built points from the scan data that we have. In the command pane, enter the station interval or the interval at which you want the as-built points to be extracted. In this case, we're going to use a 15-feet interval. You can also specify the search distance, which is the distance within which the algorithm will search for as-built points. Save the as-built points on the as-built point layer. After the points are extracted, you'll see a table where you have a count of the as-built points that have been extracted at each station. Select the as-built mesh tab and give a name to your as-built mesh. You can classify this under excavation. And in order to create this mesh, you need to have a tunnel. So in this case, we are using the tunnel design from the tunnel that we designed in the first workflow. This is our mesh. So you can click on it and go to the properties. In the Properties tab, you can find the volume information at the bottom.